This is an adjustable surfboard holder that we bought to hang up in our garage to hold all the surfboards for the boat and also the wakeboards and all the life jackets. And this has made such a huge improvement in the storage and organization for all of this type of stuff. It's fully adjustable with the shelves and how far apart you want to place the brackets on the wall, and it came with everything you needed to set it up. The brackets are fully adjustable, so you just place them in whatever slots you want for the distance, and then it has the padding on the bars to pad so that it doesn't mess up your boards. And what I also love is that it had the storage organization to hang all the life jackets on, and you can get it in sizes to fit 2, 3, 4, 6 boards. We got the one to fit 4 boards. So if you're looking for a great way to store your surfboards and life jackets or wetsuits, then this is definitely a great option to go with. It's durable, sturdy, and like I said, it has the padding on the rods, and the rods are fully adjustable, and then it had a place to hang. So go check it out.